Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for public housing. First, you'll need to understand the eligibility criteria, which often include income limits and family size. Next, find your local public housing agency, or FA, as they manage applications and available units. They can provide specific forms and guidance. Finally, start gathering all required documents, such as proof of income, identification for all household members, and any other relevant paperwork. This preparation will streamline your application process significantly. Once you have your documents, carefully complete the application form provided by your PHA. Ensure all information is accurate to avoid delays. You might be required to attend an interview with a housing counselor to discuss your situation and verify details. During this stage, the PHA will typically conduct background checks, including criminal history and credit checks, for all adult household members. Honesty throughout this process is crucial for a successful application. After submitting your application, you will likely be placed on a waiting list. The length of this list varies greatly depending on demand and location, sometimes taking several months or even years. It's vital to keep your contact information updated with the PHA and respond promptly to any requests for updated documents or information. When an offer for housing becomes available, you will typically have a limited time, perhaps a few days, to accept or decline it. Consider your options carefully. Once you secure public housing, it's essential to maintain your eligibility by following all lease agreements and community guidelines. Promptly report any changes in your income, employment, or household composition to your PHA. This ensures your rent is calculated correctly and you remain in compliance with program rules. Remember, staying informed and communicative with your housing authority is key to a stable housing situation. Also, for other great deals and the link to those amazing darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, check out the description below.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.